Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Chrysler Town and Country. Before you begin, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. Having the right tools, such as a serpentine belt tensioner tool and various wrenches, will make this job much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's get that old alternator out. First, use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension and carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the unit. Finally, remove the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine bracket. Take your time with each step. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket, ensuring it aligns correctly. Once in place, securely fasten all the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Don't forget to reconnect the main power wire and all other electrical connectors firmly. Almost done. Now, carefully route and reinstall the serpentine belt onto all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly. Double-check all your connections, then reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a voltmeter to confirm the new alternator is charging the battery at around 13.5 to 14.5 volts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.